यहाँ पे कोई नहीं ना, महानगर टेलीफोन वाला कोई नहीं है ना. We have to thank them because they have prepared this book to see our breathing right or wrong. So take those two big, lie down, keep one on the chest and one on abdomen and breathing. Both are moving, then your breathing is right. If it is not, then you have to correct it. So now see what you have to do, you breathe from your abdomen. So your diaphragm should open. And once you open, your oxygen will go down till your knee, till your feet. So this will help you to improve your oxygen level and blood circulation and blood supply. And this will relieve you from ache, small pain, which pain you don't experience, but when you are fast asleep, you will experience those pain and your sleep will disturb. जिना पे तरफड़िया मारे, आम की आम फरे मानस, right? And then this pain disturb you. But you, since you are so much fast asleep, that you don't like to get up, but you experience that pain, and that pain will go into your conscious mind. And when you get up next day morning, you feel more fatigue. आप क्या बोलेंगे? कल मुझे नींद में मजा नहीं आया. कहाँ से आएगा? Because that pain was disturbing you. ठीक है? But you are so tired, so that you don't want to come out from your bed. You continue sleep. But थोड़ा नींद आ गया, वापिस after few seconds, after few minutes, again you will get up because of that pain. So if that is so, then apply rescue remedy on that area. Rescue remedy, again a flower remedy. Apply rescue remedy. When you apply, your application should be towards heart. Towards heart. Don't go in reverse of heart. Apply towards your heart. Rescue remedy. Name of the medicine is rescue remedy. My friends, I am not a marketing officer of that company, but I am telling you that rescue remedy is a must for every house. Rescue remedy is a must. Rescue remedy is a life-saving drug. Rescue, R-E-S-C-U-S-E. No, it's a medicine, flower remedy, which is a very good remedy for any emergency. Now, any emergency, any heart attack, paralytic stroke, any bites, anything, when you don't think anything about that, you should take rescue remedy. Manufacture, you get it in any homeopathic pharmacy. But if you have somebody in UK, then you can buy original from UK. What you buy from UK is 1,000 times powerful than what you get. Here you get it in a diluted form. 1,000 rupees, no, it is 640. Say about some milligram. But here in India, this is a flower remedy, Bach flower. In India, this one bottle costs only 10 rupees, 10 to 15 rupees. So 10 to 15 rupees is a good thing to spend, but life-saving drug. Any emergency. दांत का दर्द हुआ रात में. You experience so many times. And you know all dentists, they have some understanding with night. कि दांत का दर्द रात को ही ज्यादा होता है, नींद में होता है. कुछ दिया लगता है ना डेंटिस्ट ने. तो कीप रेस्क्यू रेमेडी अप्लाई. जहाँ भी दर्द हुआ एक्सटर्नली अप्लाई. By rescue remedy, preferably you buy liquid, because liquid melt with the blood faster than the pills. So rescue remedy you apply if you have any pain, any insect bites, any disturbance, right? And if you don't get sleep, take rescue remedy few drops with white chestnut. White chestnut is under homeopathic remedy, flower remedy. Rescue remedy, make sure the white chestnut is a very good remedy. White chestnut. White chestnut. Now yesterday only I had one patient from JP Morgan. You know JP Morgan? वहाँ के कोई पेशेंट आए हैं, कल आए थे, and they have a syndrome of disturbed sleep, and they are very much better with this rescue remedy and white chestnut. This remedy will fix you, and this will improve your sleep. And these medicine are not expensive. This rescue remedy and white chestnut you can take orally, right? And rescue remedy in case of pain, in case of disturbance, in case of swelling, pain, you can apply locally. Now, where to apply? You can apply orally. You can apply here, below the nose, below the ear, on your pulse and your umbilicus, navi ke andar. If you do that much, it will help you tremendously. Rescue remedy is a must for every house, every family. And if you want, next time, if you remind me, I will bring the write-up on rescue remedy, how it works, where it helps. But then some of you should remind me, I'll bring it. I'm going to ready write-up on rescue remedy. आप ही लूची ना अपने क्लास में. So this rescue remedy is a must for every house. You can Google, I have not tried. Okay, you can try it, Google, you get it. है ना? हाँ, rescue का पूरा दिया है ना? Okay, then you can download it. It's a wonderful remedy, rescue remedy. Have you taken any medical reports? No, you bring the report. You bring the report. And see, if you, before sleep, if you are taking any alcohol or cigarette or tobacco, then avoid. They also will disturb your sleep and you might get jerk. Right? And if jerk is because of that, then the best remedy for it is gelsemium. Gelsemium 200 potency is the best remedy, will help you to reduce this jerk and you will get better sleep. Okay. So we all breathe badly. So please improve your breathing through abdomen, which will also improve your sleep because intake of oxygen will improve. Now next is before going to sleep. Now another exercise what you can do before going to sleep, you sit like this, sit, okay, press and release, and inhale and exhale. Now see, I am pressing 1, now 2. Right, and then very important is massage this area. Massage this area. This is known as a medulla oblongata massage. This will improve your sleep. And if you feel that you have a circulation problem which disturbs your sleep, circulation, then you can see this cavity here. In this cavity, you keep 2 fingers and rest your head on this. Or you press towards upper side. Now see, this is the cavity, right? Right? Okay, now rest here. Now see, what do you feel? You feel better? Right? Very simple technique. You press here, it will improve your sleep. But this you can do before going to bed. Or take a towel, make a roll and massage here in this area. So all parties taken care. Okay. And another exercise to improve your oxygen level in your body, massage your ear. Massage your ear like this. Shall we do, all of us will do it together? Please, do it. कर्मा कान नहीं पकड़े, यहाँ पकड़वाना. And then pull and press. And then pull like this. Then this. This, if you do thrice in a day, will help you tremendously. Once when you get up in the morning, once in the between afternoon, when you feel a bit fatigued, and one before going to bed. Next day morning when you get up, there won't be any toxin in your body. Very simple. कहीं खर्चो नहीं, मफत में काम था. But do this at least few seconds. If you not do for a few minutes, do it for half a second to 1 minute, 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Not more than that is not necessary. Because this will immediately improve blood circulation in the entire body. You know the symbol behind this is a kidney. Your ear is kidney shape. And जब भी माँ के पेट में बच्चा होता है, look like this. So ear is a complete structure of your body, right? And we have tremendous result with ear acupuncture. Very good result with ear acupuncture, and patients are very comfortable. Irish with medicine you take, your ringing will go. Irish Vir, IRIS full stop VIR Vir. Irish Vir is a good remedy for ringing in ears. It's not better, then consult your ENT or you come to me. VIR, Irish Vir, a very good remedy for ringing in ear. Come on. Irish Vir, VR Vir, homeopathic. Now here, breathing is the bridge between your mind and your body. So once you breathe here properly, the proper amount of oxygen, proper level of oxygen will improve, and that will improve your body, will charge. Now if you feel you are too tired, and because of excessive tiredness also, your sleep is disturbed. Now, so that for example, today trains are not there and you have to walk. You walk from Marliang to Dadar, and then you are tired. Because of excessive tiredness also, your sleep is disturbed. In those cases, you take Arnica 1M. Arnica 1M. Now you are playing a cricket and you feel too tired after playing cricket. Take Arnica, so you are charged. Okay. Now you today so much traffic jam, so you have to stand in a train. Train is not stagnant, not moving. After staining also you feel leg pain, you are fatigued, very much tired, Arnica 1M is a very good medicine. And my friend, please remember, Arnica 1M is a very good medicine to prevent brain stroke, to prevent paralysis stroke.